Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see about the data loss prevention in Microsoft Purview. I will log on to the portal and take it from there. Alright, I'm logged on to the portal, and when you come on purview.microsoft.com, if you are on the home screen, make sure you select data loss prevention from solutions, or you would see that on the left pane. If you do not see that on the left pane, click on solutions and click on data loss prevention. Now, what is data loss prevention? We have discussed about in the previous videos about data collection, classification, sensitivity labels, sensitive information types. Now, when you as an organization have sensitive information, and for example, that can be financial data, credit card numbers, health records, social security numbers, or common identity numbers based on the country you're living in. Now, this is sensitive information and this is sensitive data that we need to protect, right? And we need to make sure that there is less or clearly zero risk of oversharing. And this is the way we'll help prevent the user from inappropriately sharing sensitive data with the people who should not have it. It can be within the organization, it can be outside the organization, right? And this practice is called data loss prevention, or DLP. Now, you can achieve DLP with another products and other services also. But in Microsoft Purview, we implement data loss prevention by defining and applying DLP policies. With the DLP policies, you can identify, monitor, and automatically protect sensitive items across many other services such as Teams, Exchange, SharePoint, OneDrive, Office applications, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Windows 10, Windows 11, Mac OS, endpoints, non-Microsoft cloud apps, on-premises file shares and on-premises SharePoint, Fabric, and Power BI workspaces, Microsoft 365 Copilot, which is still under preview. Now, DLP detects sensitive items by using deep content analysis and not by just a simple text scan. It will analyze for primary data matches by the evaluation of regular expressions, by internal function validation, by secondary data matches that are in proximity of the primary data match. All right. Okay, before we begin exploring all of these options that are available under data loss prevention, things that you should know about or should read about side by side are administrative units. The Microsoft article that talks about Microsoft Purview data loss prevention. How do you plan for data loss prevention? How do you plan data loss prevention policies? How do you design a policy? How do you deploy that policies? And then how do you investigate data loss prevention alerts? There are certain licensing and subscriptions required. Right? DLP is part of Microsoft Purview offering. So DLP is just one of the Microsoft Purview tools. When you talk about, or when you're discussing about data loss prevention or information protection or information security, data security. So information protection, data loss prevention, data security posture management, insider risk management, information barriers, privilege access management, encryption, risk and compliance solutions. These are all offerings within Microsoft Purview, and DLP is one of them, right? And then this is the DLP life cycle as well. You plan, prepare, and deploy your policies. We'll cover that in coming videos. All right. Now, you should also learn about endpoint data loss prevention and the other default data loss prevention policies in Microsoft Purview. All right. So this was an overview that I wanted to give about DLP. I'll cover different topics in the coming videos, and then we will see about how do you plan for DLP. Okay. In the next video, we'll discuss about the planning. Then after that, we'll design a DLP policies, and then we'll create and deploy data loss prevention policies. All right. I hope this was informative for all of you. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.